Headed by world-renowned scientists from Scripps Institution of Oceanography, Delmar Oceanographic is a commercial company specializing in high-performance oceanographic technologies.
What we've come to realize is that the ocean is variable in space and time on small scales. And so really what we're trying to do is collect measurements that allow us to look at the interaction between the rhythms of life, if you will, and the rhythms of the physics of the ocean.
The Wirewalker harnesses the energy of ocean waves to propel itself up and down a vertical mooring wire, carrying a suite of sensors that allow a great many measurements to be collected versus depth and time, all in an integrated way.
Recently, we've integrated the Nortek Signature1000 into the Wirewalker package. Our ability to move the ADCP through the water allows us to collect very finely resolved data over much larger ranges. And so the combination of a precise instrument with a robust platform allows for much more detailed measurements to be collected.
We're excited about the future of the Wirewalker kind of as an enabling device. It allows people with fairly limited resources to get a very accurate view of what's going on in the ocean interior.
The interaction between the ocean and the atmosphere has a large impact on the climate. The Wirewalker allows us to see the ocean in a way that we were unable to before in a cost-effective manner. We've used the Nortek on board the Wirewalker on a number of different projects. One, studying air-sea exchange in the Indian Ocean. That work was funded by the U.S. Office of Naval Research, where we've tried to understand variability in the ocean's surface boundary layer and how it's communicating with the atmosphere. The majority of the human population lives within about 50 miles of the coastline, and thus we have large impacts on the coastal ocean. We're using these measurements to improve forecasts of marine weather, to improve our understanding of the changing climate, and to make a better estimate of how the ocean ecosystem is evolving in time. It is difficult to acquire the measurements that we need, and so we really require that the instrumentation that we use be reliable and be user-friendly. And Nortek has really done a good job making instrumentation to do the type of science that is pushing our field forward.